Hi everyone, happy Monday. I hope you had a good weekend. I wanted this week and probably next week talk about a topic of working from home. So, yeah, we're all following what's going on in the world at the moment. There's lots of change. There's lots of things that are changing on a rapid basis about what we have to do. And I think at some point it's going to become necessary for some of us to work from home. And for those of you in the service industry, depending on how your business is set up, you should be able to do that fairly easily. There's a lot of stuff that's on the cloud these days. And so I wanted to do a week or two series on working from home. I think it's really important to note that this is something that we can do and something that we should do. And so I want to talk about that in as much detail as we can. And because now is the time to start getting ready for working from home. As I said, you may need to do it or you may not need to do it, but if you can, it's even better. It's a great thing to be able to do. Anyway, and if you'd asked me a few years ago whether or not I'd be talking about this, I would have laughed at you. But over the last few years, I've worked more and more from home and I find it works really well. And I've put together a few tips. And so today I want to start out with the first one, and that's setting up your environment. Setting up your environment to be able to work from home is really, really important. In fact, your environment to do anything is really important. But working from home is no exception. You need to make sure that there are no distractions around and that you have a good desk, a computer, and a telephone so that you can work from home in a good way. So making sure that you set up that environment right and what's right for you is really important. So I'm going to talk about different ideas and different ways that you can work from home as well. And if you've got any questions or if you've got any suggestions, I'd love to hear them. Because we're all in this together and we're all going to, at some point probably have to do this. So let's make sure that the collective wisdom helps everyone. Have an awesome Monday. Bye.